In this video, we'll go over how to use the T&M Tag Agent on mobile and its current capabilities. You can access the T&M Tag Agent by pressing the plus button from the log and selecting Create T&M Tag with AI. If you don't see this option, check with your company and make sure it has AI enabled in the company settings. And if you still don't see the option, update the Clearstory mobile app to the latest version. Let's begin by selecting Create T&M Tag with AI and then selecting our project. After selecting the project, we're directed to a chat panel. We can begin using the agent by sending it a message by either typing it out or sending it a voice note. You can also chat with it in Spanish if you prefer, and it will create your T&M tag in English. Let's use the voice note by pressing the microphone and asking it to create a T&M tag for third floor CT room with the 8 hours journeyman drywall installer, 8 hours of journeyman taper, and 2 hours of foreman. We can go ahead and stop that once we're done sending it our voice note, and it will show you the text version of it, allowing you to make edits before you send it to the agent. I think that looks good, so let's go ahead and send it, and it will show you when it's processing your message. Once it's done processing, it will show you a card of how it plans to update the T&M tag. Here we can see the title, description, and labor have been added. We can choose to proceed, or we can chat with it further for additional edits. Let's ask it one more time to update the customer reference number to ASI 14 and add 900 square foot of gypsum board type X. Again, it will transcribe our request. I think that looks good. Let's go ahead and send that. And again, it will process and update our card. As you can see, our updated card now has the reference number I requested and the material. Now that we have that looking good, let's go ahead and open this in the form. This takes you to the standard T&M tag summary form, where you can make any additional manual edits before you save or send this tag. The agent will never save or send for you, so you'll always be the final decision maker. With that, we've went over a few examples, but the agent is capable of more scenarios, like improving your work description, bulk editing the line items already on the tag, and you can even attach supporting docs or images so the agent has more context to work with. It won't be able to predict all your labor hours material just from a few images yet, but we plan on rapidly expanding its capabilities. So as you use this agent, please let us know what you think. Positive or negative is appreciated. Thanks.